Welcome back to Sam's Garage, presented by NH Oil Undercoating. Jay Stitch and the guys work on removing the interior from the Alpha 1 GTO. With the interior removed, it can be prepped for reupholstery. The refreshed interior will be a perfect complement to all the upgraded engine and suspension work on this project.
I got Jay Stitch back in the studio. Him and Doug are in the car mulling over exactly what they wanted to look and feel like. If you remember, Jay Stitch did our Hudson last season. He did an awesome job. I can't wait to see what he's got in store for this car.
Jay, it's great to be working back with you again. You did such a fabulous job on that Hudson Hornet. I can't wait till you come up with what you're going to do on this.
Yeah, my ideas are flowing as we sit in here. I cannot wait to get started on it.
Oh, man, I'm looking forward to having it done and then taking it for a drive.
I can't wait for that. Seats, door panels I'm taking out. We're just going to basically break down the whole interior and take everything out. My first approach is to figure out the color and then get the design. And once I come up with a design, it's over with. But this car right here is going to be over the top. Everything will be leather.
Whenever you guys are taking apart the interior, we always want to just tear into it and rip it all out. What I like to do is bag everything, make sure all the screws go back into the same spot, especially on an import car because you're working with a lot of metric hardware. And the stores usually have a lot of domestic standard hardware in stock, so it's not going to help you out. What we're doing now is we got the sills off, we got the seats out. We're basically getting ourselves access to get the carpet out. Then we're going to tackle the dash.
Well, I'll tell you what, it's an experience getting underneath that dash. You know, it was a lot of fun. Enjoyed it.
The next step is to come up with a design, go crazy with it this time. Crazy. So we're doing custom leather. It's going to be imported from Italy. It's going to be something nice.
Yeah, looking at these colors, Jay, this one's really rich with the red stitch. Let's look at that red stitch again. Yeah, let's go grab the stitch. We'll have to wait till the car gets painted, but one of these two reds, well, nothing like an Italian leather while we're building an Italian car. Between these two here, we're looking for a real rich look, so it's going to really make everything pop.
All right, we are disassembled, we are cataloged, we have a direction what we want to do, and now Jay, I'm going to hand it off to you.
I'm going to kill it.
I know you are.